ഇടിയെ തലയിൽ ഒഴിഞ്ഞു വീഴുന്നു. ഭ്രാന്ത് കാണിക്കാതെ. Maybe if it falls, അവിടെ നിന്ന് മാറി ഇടി വെട്ടും. Yeah, there may be a tornado chance. Look at that, it's spinning. Mama is in the store. Mama does not have this problem. Look at those birds.
Those are birds that didn't.
No.
Can I please put the paprika plant?
No, it will come down again. Paprika plant.
Yeah, it's horrible. It's horrible, the boy. It's horrible.
ഇടി വെട്ടും പെണ്ണെ അകത്ത് കയറിയിരിക്കുക. Then it's from 7 o'clock, no problem, okay? It will be over by 7 o'clock.
Then let me stand there. Not the smoke.
No. No. You fell many times. Don't test God, okay? വല്ല ഇടി വെട്ടുകൂടി പെണ്ണ ഇവിടെ വന്ന് നിൽക്കടി പറയുന്ന കേക്ക്. ഒരു ഇടി വെട്ടുമെന്ന് എടി പെണ്ണെ അവിടെ നിന്ന് കയറി നിൽക്കടി പോത്തെ ഒന്ന്. ഞാൻ പുറം പഠിച്ച് തല്ല് തന്നെ കിട്ടാം. Why is cloud living above our head, Bella? So dangerous. It's going to have some problem.
Clouds moving clearly.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah, they are coming down. I never saw that much low cloud in America.
I've never seen that fast.
Fast and low. Look at it spinning here. See? The cloud is mixing each other. One air comes here and other end it's going to a big tornado here.
Right here?
It's a formational tornado,
in
yeah.
In the middle of the road?
Somewhere here, I think.
Papa, why are you videotaping this? Let's go downstairs and get ready.
You go. It's not yet ready. When it comes, there will be a siren. Don't close the door. ഇന്ത്യയിലോ മുഴുവൻ പോകാൻ കഴിയാറുണ്ട്. അശുദ്ധിക്ക് അർത്ഥമായി നീ തല്ലുകൊള്ളു എന്റെ കയ്യിൽ നിന്ന്.
Whoa, look at that cloud. That is low. That's really low. That is really cool.
It is going to, the world is coming to an end, I think.
Huh?
The world is going to an end.
Today?
I think so. Then it will be in the video.
Then what might happen?
I'm just joking. Do you believe?
Look how low that cloud is.
Yeah. Look at the heaven is open.
That's not heaven. Heaven's low. Okay, now I can see it lowering.
Yeah.
Can you see it lowering on us? Like directly on us?
It's amazing. I never see something
I
like
could
this
touch
in my
that
whole
cloud.
life.
I could touch that cloud. Okay, now it's literally lowering on us, Papa. Look at the cloud. It's lowering on us.
It's not lowering. It's spinning. Why is it on our top of this house? It's everywhere? Yeah, it's everywhere. But the birds are not scared. Only these people are scared.
There are no birds here. They all move.
ഇഷ്ടമല്ല അവിടെ നിന്ന് മാറി നിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇടി വെട്ടുപൊടി ചിലപ്പോ.
Daddy, it's right in the middle. Up the hill. It's raining. Jump. That's right. It's done. Getting up. I think it's moving towards that way.